Hello again. How strange to find you at this place. When making videos, it's important to keep production up. So here comes another test. It is a test of the filtering, like filtering in After Affects. Trying to bend the colouring to my whims, and also just setting the mood. This might be interesting. Maybe not. If it's not, then blame Rupert. Yes, he hasn't been doing his job. Yes, I went there, Rupert. I went there. So, now, goodbye once again. Goodbye. There we are. I was so excited about my video that I forgot to introduce my not that faithful hound by the race of Fascimen Collis, which means is Latin, by the way, and it means Wiener-Dog. So you want this, don't you? Will you do a trick for me? Give me that ball. Thank you. Yes, and I'm sure you want your reward. You shall have it. His main interests are pooping, the ingestion of dirt, and women. Yeah. He's a cutie, isn't he?